Hello everyone! Today we are going to be learning about positive and negative space in art. And you will be creating your own positive and negative art. Well, usually when we think about positive and negative, we think about something good and bad. But in art, it doesn't work like that. In art has a different meaning. The positive space in drawing or in a painting is usually the main subject of your art. The negative space is the background space around your subject. So on this drawing over here, what is the main subject? It's a butterfly, okay? That's the main object in your drawing. And what is the background? Background, it's whatever is at the back or around the main thing you drew on the paper. Here is a simple illustration of positive and negative space. Do you see faces or a vase? If you are seeing a vase, then you are seeing the white part as the positive space. If you are seeing faces, then you are seeing the black area as the positive space and the white area as the negative space. There are many talented artists who like to be creative using positive and negative space. Tang Yan Hu is a talented Malaysian artist who likes to play with positive and negative spaces in his art. Now let's create our own positive and negative space art. Let's start. So we are going to need at least 2 papers, different colors, scissors, eraser, pencil, and glue. If you don't have colorful papers in your house, you may use white papers, and then in one of the papers you have to add some color. Okay, you can use pencils or crayons to add colors on one of the parts. How are we going to do this job? First of all, fold the paper in the middle. You are going to cut over here. And now on this part, you are going to draw something, but whatever you draw here can be an insect, a flower, or I don't know. Whatever you draw, you have to draw just half of the drawing. What do I mean by that? I'm going to make just a simple draw. Remember, I told you the line of symmetry that divides the drawing in two? Well, you are going to pretend that this line is the end of the paper, and you will draw just one side of whatever you are going to draw. I'm going to draw a butterfly. So I'm going to draw just one side of the butterfly. Great. And now we cut on the line. Cut very gently because you're going to need the 2 sides of the paper. Done. Now on the other paper, you are going to glue the parts that you did. and our drawing is done. What we did over here, we created a symmetric drawing because at the two sides is the same shape at the two sides, but we played with negative and positive spaces. And our activity is done for today. I'm curious to see what you are going to draw. Bye bye, guys!